How to sign up for Amazon affiliate program just with your PC in your laptop here. So open your browser in order to do this and search for Amazon affiliate account just in front of you. Whenever you will search for Amazon affiliate, that will be in front of you this website that is official Amazon affiliate website. Click on this website and on the home page there will be an option to sign up to Amazon Associates. Here the first information is to be my address and my other details, where I have to simply click on the next button. Now here I have to enter my mobile website. That if you have any URL for your account, if you have any mobile app URL, you can simply add it to here and then click on the next option or the next button to proceed it. Once you will proceed it, you will have to enter some other details to verify your account. And after doing all the setting, your affiliate account will be active and you can use anywhere you want it on YouTube, on your social media platform, or you can promote it anywhere you want it. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it. And please subscribe to our channel for watching more technical updates, videos, and reviews like this.